Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to delete a Facebook page. So if you want to delete a Facebook page in your PC or you are using Google Chrome in your mobile, this method will work in every devices. So what you have to do, first I am going to log in my Facebook account. Okay, so now you have to click on your profile pic to see your page. Okay, so yeah, you will see that there is two pages. Okay, I have two page here. So now I'm going to delete this English learning classes. So now I'm going to click it and you have to switch to the page, and here you have to again click on your profile pic, your page profile pic, and here you will see setting and privacy option. Just click on it and click on setting. Okay, now here you will see privacy option. Just click on this privacy options, and here you will see Facebook page information. Now you have to click on this Facebook page information and wait for a few seconds, and here you will see the bottom there deactivation and deletion. Then now click on view, and here you will see deactivating or deleting Facebook page. So if you want to deactivate, this can be temporary, and if you want to delete page, this is permanent. So I'm going to delete, so click on it and click on continue. Okay, now here you can download all your information, page information, and click on continue, and then you have to enter the password and click on continue, and your page will be permanently deleted. So like this you can delete your Facebook page on Facebook. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.